Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Start by gathering your ingredients. In this video, I will show you how to make easy gummy candy at home. You'll need 1/2 cup of cold water and 1/2 cup of your favorite fruit juice, like apple or grape. Also, have 2 tablespoons of unflavored gelatin and 1/4 cup of granulated sugar on hand. For a delightful tangy kick, prepare 1 teaspoon of citric acid. These simple items are all you need to begin your gummy adventure. Now let's get mixing. In a small saucepan, combine your 1/2 cup of cold water with the 2 tablespoons of unflavored gelatin. Let this mixture sit for about 5 minutes. You'll see the gelatin bloom and thicken. Next, add your 1/2 cup of fruit juice, 1/4 cup of sugar, and 1 teaspoon of citric acid to the saucepan. Gently heat this over low heat, stirring constantly until everything is fully dissolved and smooth. Once your mixture is smooth and clear, it's time to pour. Carefully transfer the warm liquid into your chosen silicone molds. Fun shapes like bears or stars are always a hit. If you don't have molds, you can pour the mixture into a shallow, lightly greased dish, like an 8x8-inch pan, to cut into squares later. Place your molds or dish into the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes, or until the gummies are firm. Your homemade gummy candies are now ready. Gently pop them out of their silicone molds. If you pour it into a dish, simply cut the firm sheet into small, bite-sized squares or strips. These delightful treats are best stored in an airtight container at room temperature. You can enjoy your fresh, flavorful gummies for up to 1 week. They are perfect for a quick snack or a fun gift.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.